Today we're coding a BMW F30. The application you want to launch is ESIS Launcher Premium. Double click on the application suite. Once the application loads, what you want to do is connect the vehicle. Click on the connect button on the top left hand corner. Now select the vehicle model. This is an F30, so select F20 from the list. Also ensure connection via VIN and Series iStep. Once confirmed, click connect. Once the vehicle is connected, click on the expert mode on the left hand panel, then coding, read FA, read SVT, Before we start coding, make sure you save FA and save SVT. Once you've made your backup, navigate to the folder you want to code. We're going to code side mirrors first, so look for folder Fem Body. Now select the CAFD file highlighted in green and right click, read coding data. Once the code has been read, click close on the errors report. Once the CFD has been read, expand out the folder, select the underlying CFD, right click and select Edit FTL. Navigate to the function you want to code. And we're going to code side mirrors first, so type in Comfort Schließen as the folder. We'll navigate to it manually. Expand out the folder and the folder beneath. You'll see some values beneath that, and as it's set to unknown at the moment, by default this should be wort01. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to put it back to its original settings by right clicking on the file and then selecting edit, and put it back to wort01 here. Okay, you'll see the value is now 0f, which stands for 15 in hexadecimal. This is measured in seconds, so 15 seconds. What we're going to do is we're going to change this value by right clicking on it and selecting edit. You'll see a flashing cursor, so delete the current value, enter the new value of 0 seconds, which is 00, and we're going to click on the yellow arrow to apply the changes. And now you'll see the value in the wort has updated to wort00. Next we're going to click save in the top left hand corner. Once it's saved, we're going to click on the back button on the top left hand corner to return back to the main menu. Next we're going to activate FA by highlighting FA and right clicking and activate FA. Now that we've activated FA, we're going to go to the folder we coded earlier, fem body. So navigate back to that folder, expand it out. Now expand out CFD, then select the CFD file. Now click code FDL. As a word of advice, I would suggest don't press code default, as it puts it back to factory defaults. It's very difficult to restore. So at all costs, don't press the button. Once it's been coded, click close on the menu. You'll get a confirmation of any errors. So if there's any errors, you'll see it in red. If it's all fine, it will be listed in green. Now click close. Next I'm going to code iDrive disclaimers. So some members may have HU MBT, HU entry nav, or HU CIC. As I have HU MBT, I'm going to navigate to that folder. Now select the CFD file highlighted in green and right click, read coding data. Click close on the message box. Now expand out the CFD folder and select the CFD file. Right click, edit FDL. Either navigate to the folder manually or type in the folder name. I'm going to criteria any folders with legal in it. So first off, I'm going to look at the backup camera, which is macro cam legal disclaimer. I'm going to expand out that folder and the folder beneath. You'll see a value. By default, it's set to timeout after 15 seconds. You can change these values by clicking on the file and right clicking and selecting edit and then selecting from the drop down menus. So you can disable it by putting it to client ID, like I've done so. You'll see the value is automatically set to word 00. Next up is the iDrive disclaimers. We're going to navigate to the folder, expand it out. By default, to set to permanent. You can make multiple changes to the vehicle before you code it. So I'm going to demonstrate by coding another function. I'm going to go back to the top and I'm going to select the function folder and I'm going to type in startup emblem. Expand out the folder and the folder beneath. You'll see different variants underneath this folder. By default, it's set to variant 00, which is connected drive. You can change the variant by right clicking and editing. There's 12 different variants to choose from. So 01 is the mPower logo. Refer to the cheat sheet for different types of variants. Once you've made the changes, click save and click on the back button to turn back to the main menu and click code FDL to apply the changes. This concludes today's F30 coding tutorial. If you have any questions, please post on the F30 post forum. Someone from the forum should be able to answer your question. If you require further assistance, please seek help from a professional coder. Hopefully this has been useful to some members. I wish you best of luck with your coding.